Okay, now here is the F-Series marking laser machine, and I will show you how to use it. And we have another series FC laser marking machine. It's a compatible one without the computer and the body, but the control method is almost same and use same softwares. Okay, now we get started. First, I will show you how to use the software. And you can see a shortcut of EasyCAD on the desktop. Double click on it to open the software. Okay, here you can see some drawing functions, and you can use all these functions to draw basic graphics. And for example, I will draw some text. And you can modify the text content here. Okay, here you can see G-Wiggle laser, and click apply, and you can see the content of text changed. And here you can change the size of the text. Okay, get a smaller one, and click on this button to position the text in the center of the marking area. And now I will show you how to use the hatching function to fill the outline of the text. Click on this button and you will see the hatching dialog. First choose enable to enable this function, and here you can adjust the patternized lines angle. Here we set it to 45, and here we set the line space of the hatching, and just leave other options as default. And now click OK, and you can see the text is filled with patternized lines. And now we have to set the laser processing parameters here. And first we change the marking speed to 500 and power change to 30, and the frequency change to 20. Okay, that's it. Now you can click on this button or just press FE on your keyboard to show the marking position. Now you can see a red rectangle here. It's the marking position of the text. And here you can see a up and down table, and you can adjust the height. Okay, now we can have a test of marking. Press F2 on your keyboard to start marking, and just to adjust the focal length, you can choose this option to continuously output for marking. Okay, now we start. You can change the height of the laser, or just change the height of the spot base. To get the position, you can hear the loud sound of the marking and very light laser. That means you get the right focal length. Okay, here we get it. Now we start marking. And you can see the focal length position here or on the spot base. Just record this position for later use. Now we can make a sample. Okay, move the material to find the right position and push F2 on your keyboard to start marking. Okay, stop. Here you can see the marking result. Okay, now I will show you how to use the rotary attachment. Here you can see it. There is a crab here, and you can just rotate this ring to loose or tighten it to fix the workpiece. When you finish that, just pull the part here in this direction. To use the rotary attachment, just choose the objects you want to mark, and under laser menu you can see there is a rotary mark, rotary text mark. And here in parameters, please make sure the extension axis 1 is enabled and ID is set to X. And pulse per round, please set it to 5000. Other options just leave as default. And for rotate axis, please enable this option and set the part diameter here. Before you start marking, please use the tape to measure the diameter of the part you want to marking and set the value here. That's very important to get right result. And okay, our settings are done. Click on OK to confirm that. And now click on this button to check the marking position. First, please don't forget to adjust the length for this part. Here we can see the height of the part is 17 millimeters, so we have to add 70 to the focal length we just tested. So now we adjusted this height of laser to the right position. Okay, we got it. Now we're gonna have a test. Click on this button and you will see the text is marked on the workpiece. Here it is. Okay, that's all.